So I've had this really nice progression in my head for a while now. It's one of the most beautiful sounding things that I've put together in a while. So my goal for today is to make a production that does not waste its potential. If you're new here, my name is Caleb and I help R&B producers develop their signature sound by providing authentic musicianship that they can just drag straight into their DAW. So I'm going to start by laying down the piano part, just because that's the most important part as far as the context of this song. I have the click set at 82 BPM, and I'm using one of the upright samples in the Yamaha CP73. If you want to check out this keyboard for yourself, I'll link it down below. All right, now let's do some drums. Now for the drums, I'm going to keep it pretty simple, but I do want to add some swing to it. That's the one. These sounds are from a stock Addictive Drums preset that I have not used before, and it's just so nice and crispy. All right, now let's do some bass. Okay, I think we can work with that. All right, I can already feel it. This track is in desperate need of some just like droning violins or whatever. All right, now let's open up Logic Retro Synth. Okay, I'm getting excited about this one. I don't know about you, I thought that was pretty sick. By the way, if you'd like to work with me on your next song, I can lay down some instrument tracks just like I do in this video. Just click the link in the description, fill out the details of your song and send it over, and I will reach out about how we can get started. Okay, I don't know whether or not this is cool, but I just have this like in my head, just like it's just doing it the whole. Just check this out. I think I'm keeping it. All right, now that I've done some very simple arranging on this, let's give it the final listen and see if this was a complete waste of potential or if it turned out pretty cool in the end. Okay, time to be brutally honest. I had a lot of fun making this track. I think it turned out pretty sick, but what do you think about this track? Was it wasted potential, or do you think that it actually turned out all right? Definitely let me know down in the comments. And as always, thanks for hanging out, and I hope you have a wonderful day.